then you fold it, stretch it, and then you fold it, stretch it, and then you fold it, stretch it. So today we're going to do slime. So don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up, and don't forget to ring the bell. Today we're going to make some slime, and we got a stick.
And the glue.
And we got glue. Today we're going to make slime, and this is the glue.
And the slime activator.
And the slime activator.
Color.
Today I'm going to choose pink instead of purple.
And baking soda.
And baking soda. If you want to put glitters, you put glitters. How about I'm going to put glitter? How about blue today? Okay, let's start. First, we need 1 cup of glue. Okay, black glue. I'm going to put 1 cup of glue. There it is. Okay, just a little one on.
A little bit at a time.
Okay. Just like this many. I'm going to put all of this glue in the bowl. Okay.
All of it.
Okay, we got the color in there. Now we have to mix it up. My mommy's gonna put the activator in while I'm stirring.
Keep on stirring. Keep on stirring. Stir fast.
Almost there. It's coming slime, guys. Mix. Slime's my favorite. Now I'm gonna mix. Oh, it's going.
Oh, that's pretty color, Rosie.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's supposed to be pretty. I think it's done now. Okay. Wow, we have to test it out first. Let's test it out now. It looks good. Now we're gonna put more activator. Ew, you got my fingers. Oh, I love glitter inside the slime. I like. Guys, it's getting thicker. Wow, it's stretching. I think it's done. Look, it's stretching a lot. I think it's done mixing. Guys, this is so slimy. I'm so excited. Wow. I made it. It's pink because most of all of it is pink. I love making slime. It's so easy. Now, we just need to put the glitter in it now. Looks so stretchy.
Now it's done.
Now it's done. Let's add the glitter.
Just a little bit glitter at a time. No.
Yeah, I'm just putting my 2 fingers on it. Oh, the slime's so pretty. All the time it's so pretty when we make slime. Wow, so stretchy. Wow, so stretchy. I made it, guys. It's so easy. You can make some at home. Now I'm gonna put glitter in a little bit at a time. Like that. Now there. I can't wait to play my glittery slime. That's probably good. Are you ready for my slime? Ooh, it feels so good.
So stretchy.
So stretchy.
Yeah, stretch it.
Whoa, it's stickiest. See guys, I can make it and you can make it too. Ugh.
Look how stretchy that is.
Now it's like a waterfall. Now the waterfall's down. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite thing to do.
It is so much fun.
It's so much fun. Wow, waterfall. It's so easy. Whoa. 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 You can even touch it. All we need is glue and glitters and magic. And some of these glitters. This is so beautiful. I love this. But I need to clean that up in my hands. When it's not sticky anymore, it's really done. Whoa! It's like a Valentine slime, does it? Pink! I like pink. When you're done with it, put it in a container and make sure to lock it so it won't get dry. Continue. And then you fold it, stretch it, and then you fold it, stretch it, and then you fold it, stretch. Take a picture of it. When I'm done playing with it, see, I put it in the containers. Now you can make your own. Thanks for watching. Bye.